This is First Avenue. We got a nice little bike lane here. One of my most used routes. Here I'm turning on to 14th Street, which has banned cars now. Only cars that are picking up or dropping something off are allowed to drive for up to 2 blocks. It's followed with, not super carefully by cars, but that's alright. It's really nice to ride here. It's pretty clear. As you can see, it's way better than most streets. They implemented the ban to help the buses travel faster because buses were taking forever. This car is required to stop for pedestrians and for bikes because I got the green bike light. Here I come up on cars turning left. Unfortunately, a car is blocking the bike lane as it waits for pedestrians. So to save us all time, I just pass them on the right side. I'm crossing onto the Hudson River Greenway. This is the most used bike path in the country, and for good reason. It's amazing. Look how beautiful it is. First of all, you got trees and greenery everywhere, and it's completely protected from cars with trees and bushes on that side. On the left, you can see. So you got complete ease of mind. You don't have to worry about cars, and it goes both ways. It's gorgeous. And you can really fly here. It's nice. It's really, really nice. It's probably my favorite part of New York City. This is New York City at its best. You can see Freedom Tower rising up ahead. This is heading down south along the west side of Manhattan. This is I feel like this is an example of how to do a bike lane. More cities should copy this. I'm sure they will. New York really did it right here. There's certain sections that get a little more narrow and get a little more crowded. But other than that, I love it. It's really great. If you want to get out and if you're like a hardcore biker and you have a race bike, you can come out here. Especially if you come when it's not the busy times. This is actually a really practical commuting route too. Anytime I'm going north or south on the western half of Manhattan, I'll probably come over here because I enjoy it so much, even if it adds a couple more minutes to my commute. This cab is required to stop for me to cross because I have a green bike crossing light. This is coming down to the southern tip of Manhattan, Battery Park. The financial district is around here. And this is beautiful, has beautiful bike lanes here too.